All right. We are doing a Redbird pizza review, Miamisburg. It's been open since like October, but I thought it was brand new. It's kind of hidden. So, in fairness, I drove home for 30 minutes, so it's not going to be fresh out of the oven. But either way, it looks amazing. Got that crunchy crust, as Dave Portnoy would say, what, no flop? No flop? New York style. Look at that undercarriage. It's very good. Check it out. Redbird Pizza, Miamisburg, Ohio. I'll put a link in the description. There you go. It's delicious. All right, post-consumption. It was delicious. Might be my new favorite pizza. Crunchy crust, crunchy undercarriage, delicious pepperoni, real mozzarella. Redbird for the win. Check it out.